everyone, welcome to Techniche. So right now in this video, we'll just talk about some of the comments that you guys sent over from our previous video about the Huawei Freebuds Pro and its real life review. So I'm gonna address two things. First, the audio comparison with the microphone, and secondly, what or how it performs in game. So specifically with PUBG Mobile. So that's what we're gonna talk about in this video. I hope it helps you guys out.
Hi guys, so I hope you hear some difference between this when I'm wearing my Freebuds Pro and recording this using the Moza Genie app instead of just using the built-in microphone from the iPhone. So this is me wearing the Freebuds Pro. This is how it sounds, and you can compare it.
Hi guys, so this is how it sounds with only the built-in mic for the iPhone. I hope you hear a difference between this and when I'm wearing my Freebuds Pro. Let me know what you think. Hi guys, so this time I'm wearing my headset. So this is the headset that came with the iPhone. This is how it sounds like, so that you have a comparison between this, the no headset setup, and with the Freebuds Pro. So let me know how it sounds. Hi guys, so this is the audio coming, I hope, from this microphone. So I'm expecting that it will be a lot better than our previous microphone setups because this costs a whole lot more. So I have the Samsung Q2 USB microphone and the Behringer mixer directly connected to my iPhone. So yeah, this is just for comparison purposes, and let me know. Hi, so now that we're done with the audio comparison for the Freebuds Pro and my other available mic setups, I will also talk about how it fares in game. So I have some clips from when I played PUBG Mobile. So I played it for the arcade deathmatch, and all I can say is that the latency is not too bad.
Team
Of
match,
course,
let's
there's
go.
a slight bit of delay, but it's not enough to affect performance. That's just how I see it.
The blue team has scored for the first time! Enemy down! Killing spree for the blue team! Expired! Cover me! Dead! Clear! Reloading!
Yes, astig naman na ate ko.
Killed! Cover me!
Also, I was able to use it for a music app. So this is Superstar YG. So this is where it kind of matters a lot, actually, because you have to get the timing right for when you're pressing the screen. And so far, although the game has built-in options to delay the sound, it didn't really matter a lot. And I can show you there exactly how much of a difference there is. There could be a delay, a slight bit of delay, which I will show you. So, in terms of gaming, I would say this is the best wireless buds that I've experienced. I do have quite a few that I already went through, but in terms of value for money, I really am happy with this. Like, if I don't want to use my wired headset, this is a great alternative. So yeah, it works well for me. But again, it's all up to you with your budget and how you intend to use it. So I hope this helps, and see you all on our next video.